If you would like to request to appear at the hearing by video conference or telephone, you must contact the court immediately by using the clerk phone number. Call the clerk phone number, then never answer. Here is what I filed. I am at the courthouse right now. There's the police. Apparently they're getting a police member to come out here. The court is scheduled a bench trial in this matter for February 18th. So I'm going for the extension here. It's about the $500 ransom he took, with the ability to appear.
You had a question in regards to the warrant arrest?
I had a question in regards to my social security number being publicly posted in violation of the paragraph that's written on the bottom of that page that says this is personal information and should never be published. It's not for public consumption.
Okay. This is a warrant arrest, and I will speak with the judge and how he wants to handle the confidentiality of it, but it is a warrant arrest.
You're aware that that was already done and over with, and I don't have that hanging over my head. You're aware of that, right?
Okay, but you're asking me about a document that is on on CaseNet, correct?
No, I'm not asking you about a document that's on CaseNet.
Okay.
So let's clarify it. I'm glad we're coming to this understanding. So my only concern about this particular issue is that this,
which is a document.
Yeah, this city
Okay.
is violating its own statutes. It's breaking its own quote unquote laws by publicly posting my social security number in full on that document. It is not supposed
Which is a warrant arrest.
It doesn't really matter what the document is. You're not allowed to post people's social security number in full on a public website.
Okay.
Therefore,
Again, I just stated,
Yeah.
if you want to come and talk with the judge, he'll be here on tomorrow.
I don't
You can
want to come
address
talk to this.
issue- You
Look,
can address this issue with him,
Ma'am.
or you can allow me to address this issue with him on tomorrow.
Does it
I can't
require-
do anything about
Okay.
it right, as of right now.
is the judge's presence or involvement in this issue required to remove my social security number from your public website?
He signs off on the judges, so
Okay.
he's my boss. So
Can I
that's
see
the
my
person
paper?
that I'm going to talk to about.
Can I see it? I just want to read the bottom section. So, see, the bottom section says, this cover sheet is for law enforcement use only and shall be served with the warrant on the defendant. This is a confidential document as it contains personal identifying information. Do not return this cover sheet when filing the officer's return with the court. You don't think that my social security number that's posted on this, that's not a problem? It requires a judge to come in and change a computer file?
I don't change what's on CaseNet, but I am going
Okay.
to speak with him about the confidentiality.
Okay,
of
ma'am, I'm not
the
arguing.
public
I don't mean to
record
argue.
that you're
I'm not
talking
trying to
about.
argue with you.
But it sounds like it.
Okay, well then let me apologize for that perception
So-
and clarify that, look, I don't ever try to argue with people. I'm simply here to record what your actions are. I also know this isn't your fault. And I also know that you're here just trying to help me.
Anything else that I can help you with?
Yeah, so I just want to clarify then, the final answer from this building, because there is
It's not this building, it's from this department.
this department, whatever you want to call it, of this city or whatever. I'm live streaming here. Everything's going on the YouTube channel, Dear Missouri
well,
Drake.
I'm
So
not going to be on your YouTube channel.
I understand. I'm just saying,
I'm
ma'am.
going to walk away if you're going to
Ma'am, I'm trying to clarify.
Because you haven't got my authorization to have me on YouTube.
You asked, you're not, this is YouTube and it's pointing down. I'm not
Okay,
pointing it at
so
you.
But you're having a conversation.
Yes, but I'm not pointing it at you.
On YouTube.
If you don't like it, get another job. You're a public official. If you don't like it, get another job.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I'm not-
I have
I'm not
court
gonna
business.
be on YouTube.
You're not on YouTube. I have court business to conduct. Can I please get someone to help me conduct official court business? You are illegally posting my social security number on the internet.
Mr. Pierce, you're here all the time. What is it that you
I haven't been here in 3 months.
I've already explained to you how we'll handle the document, but evidently it's not good enough for you.
You're
gonna
not
ask
listening.
that you stop recording me,
Ma'am,
to be on your YouTube.
I can
channel.
audio record all I want. This is proof. Now listen, this only clarification is this. All I want is this building, your department's answer to the jury watching this eventually, to your answer to putting the social security.
I already told you about what I...
Ma'am, I can't speak with you. You won't let me speak without interruption. Can I get somebody else? I need someone who will let me speak.
I'm the next person
You're,
in charge.
okay, can you be quiet and let me speak?
I've listened to you,
Okay.
and I've also listened
Can I please speak?
When I don't want to be on YouTube.
You're not on YouTube. Can I speak?
But you just said you're recording.
I turned it off. Can I speak?
Go right ahead.
Great. I want this building's answer formally to the federal jury that's going to get this evidence as to what your department is doing while you're openly breaking the law by posting my social security number on your website. What are you going to do about it?
I personally can't do anything about
Okay.
it. But the person who I can speak with about the confidentiality of this document will be here on tomorrow, like I just said to
Okay. So now I've got to wait until then and maybe call back and find out what he did about it.
If you want an answer.
Okay, that's the answer. There's no reason to get upset or interrupt or run over each other. I now have your answer and I don't need you anymore, okay? I filed the document. There's a trial de novo in here request. There's a motion to dismiss. There's a motion to recuse. Can I please speak without being interrupted? There's a motion to recuse in here, and there's a motion for a continuance because there's another hearing of mine scheduled for the exact same day in St. Charles County, okay? I'm making sure you're aware of this, ma'am.
You said you were done with me. If you're done,
Goodbye.
Good day.
You hire black women and they can't not interrupt white men. It's what they do. They can't let you speak. It's all emotions, it's all anger, it's no business. Just shut up and communicate and then I can leave. So easy. Oh yeah, it's me, all right. Hi. Huh? Ideally, Meyer. Myers, right?
Yeah, who are you?
Joe Pierce. He knows me.
Joe Pierce?
Yep. Good God, lady, just let me get it out. I'm just here to get your response. Blah, 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 blah. Stop. Oh my goodness. They're perfectly okay with just running over everybody and nobody hears each other. It's like a goddamn episode of Maury Povich. Grow up. You are working in a corrupt prosecutor court clerk office conjunction.
He actually is not here.
I can talk to
give you
anybody.
information?
Oh, we're far beyond that. So, oh, by the way, sir, here, let me introduce myself politely. My name is Joe Pierce. It's nice to meet you. I'm in no way upset with police or any of that. I'm simply here to get an answer, and I have no disagreement with the decision of that answer, okay? So all I'm trying to do, this has been going on for a year. 3 months ago, I wrote in, and it's in the files, and it's in my email, a very formal legal document of a complaint on the judge for openly breaking Missouri statutes that are posted in the room right there that says he has to recuse himself. Now, the police say, we're not going to do anything about it, go to the state AG. All I want is written documentation of that decision. So I'm talking to Myers, I ask, and I understand that it's political. I'm a pragmatist, I know what's going on. I'm not trying to put any pressure on anybody here. All I'm trying to get is a written answer from the police department that says, yes, we will file, a companion document is sitting right with the prosecutor's office. They're ready to go. Of course, they're not going to arrest the judge. I'm talking crazy, right? The answer is, yes, we're going to prosecute breaking open statute, like we prosecute every civilian who breaks a statute, or no, we're not. And it's X. Whatever X is, I don't even care. I just want the answer. I'm getting the answer from this department, and I know they don't want to give it to me. I'm getting the same answer from the state AG department, right on the top. The Commission on Judicial Conduct, right from the top. All of them, I'm getting the right written answer of what they're going to do about it. Because the answer is nothing. And I've been telling this going on for a year and a half. This charge is a year and a half old, okay? He hasn't had a hearing with me in July. It's January. Delay. Speedy trial? I don't have a lawyer. He doesn't care. He just lied and said, you entered a plea of not guilty. No, I didn't. It wasn't even talked about. He just wrote it into the record. And then later says, that's what happened. And guess what I can do about it? Nothing. Well, I have an 11-year-old YouTube channel called Dear Missouri Jury. It was Ethics Instead. I renamed it because I moved here 6 years ago, and this happened to me. So I'm just getting from the police in O'Fallon and Wentzville and the courthouse their answer. You're breaking openly, brazenly, without shame, and without consequence, because there's no judicial oversight, Missouri statutes, and causing irreparable or reversible harm to people's lives in the process. All for, in my case, extortion, or because I don't have a tag on my plate and I didn't make the right bet with an insurance company. People are gonna love this. Okay. All I want is the answer, sir. You will or you won't prosecute the judge for breaking the law on the wall. How much more open and shut does it get? Myers knows exactly where I'm coming from. The sergeant I worked with before that, his name I forget. All you people have been awesome to me, by the way. They all know about this. This is not old news or new news. So, thank you for listening to me. All I want is that answer. They won't give it to me. Myers has my email. He has a huge email, exactly what I'm after, and he has to go radio silent because, as we know, once you get to lieutenant or above, you're really a politician. You're no longer a cop. And I get it. That's what I'm kind of, and you don't like it, I get it. Believe you me, 11 years is a long time. This is not the first department I've dealt with. And I'm undefeated, by the way, so there's that. I would like this department to give me a dignity, mutual human respect. I do have to pay taxes here. That just says, here's the answer yes, or here's the answer no. And once I got it, I'm good. I'm done.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will pass it along to him and tell him that you're just looking for
That- yeah, that's all I'm here to tell him.
All right, but he's not here.
I understand, but I'll
Pass it
call
along.
back. I'll email him. I just want to get that written document. I'll never be here again.
Sure.
Okay.
All right, I'll let him know, man.
Thanks.
No problem.
Appreciate it. How can I help you, gentlemen? Were you about downstairs?
Yes?
Oh. You just want to know what that was about?
Nope, you good to go?
Yeah. Oh, did they call you like security?
Yep.
As if I was some kind of a threat.
I don't know.
Oh, look, my name is Joe Pierce.
Hi, did you get your questions answered?
I did. Joe
All right.
Pierce.
Okay.
It's nice to meet you. Okay. I'm not in any way kind of a threat. She
Okay.
just doesn't like what I had to say because I accused her of interrupting me and she wouldn't let me talk. But there's absolutely, I have a YouTube channel, Dear Missouri Jury, 11 years. I do this all the time.
Okay.
Not once have I ever been anything
Okay,
physical.
well, I'll let the other officers know you're
Okay.
leaving.
Yeah, I am leaving because I'm done with my court business now. I can put all this on the internet.
Okay,
And I
good.
just want to let everybody know, Joe Pierce is never any kind of a security or threat issue.
All
I'm
right.
always peaceful. I'm never upset. I'm always chill. Okay?
Okay.
Are we good?
Have a great day.
Okay, have a great day. It's what they always do. Once the woman cries, oh, I'm scared, everybody with a gun comes, oh, I'll save you. I'll be the good wife tonight. There's no problem or threat in the first place. You just have a psycho down there who doesn't think she has to listen to anybody because it's a typical government attitude of we can interrupt you anytime we want. We can say whatever we want. We don't have to obey the laws. There's no oversight. The state AG don't do nothing. The Commission on Judicial Conduct doesn't do anything. And so what ends up happening are lawsuits. And this footage is what the jury sees and they're like, gosh, what are you guys doing about it? And that month, do I have to leave?
Let's go.
I don't want to leave.
Let's go. You're
Do I
causing
have to
you're
leave?
causing disruption. Get
I'll
out.
be quiet right now. Can I sit right there and be quiet?
Get out. You're
Okay.
done. You're done.
You're forcing me to get out.
Yes.
You're forcing me to get out. What's your name? What's your badge number?
Causing disruption.
Ashley, what's your badge number? I'm gonna file a formal complaint. This is
That's fine.
ridiculous.
That's fine.
I have not
Is there a
caused
cover
a
over
formal
there?
complaint.
Is that?
What's your, no, it's not. What's your badge number?
Okay. What do you want?
Your badge number.
No. What do you want?
I'm gonna file a formal complaint inside right now. I have official business to conduct on
You're
you,
already
Mr.
causing
Ashley.
disruption.
I'm not, that's your interpretation. I'll whisper from now on.
No, you're too
I'm
late.
not causing a
Come
disruption.
back another day.
Okay, what's your badge number?
No. Call the.
What's your badge number,
It's
Ashley?
511.
Great, thank you,
That's
Ashley.
all good.
You have a good day, Ashley. You're forcing me out. You're forcing me
You're
out.
already
Goodbye,
causing
I'm
issue.
leaving. I'm leaving. Goodbye. He's forcing me to. I want to come in and file a complaint against him. Will you let me? Can I? Can I come in right now peacefully? I just want to whisper and be quiet. Can I come in? Can I come in and file a formal complaint against him right now? I'm not talking to him. I'm talking to you, sir.
What is your complaint?
He just got up close and personal to me to try and force me out of a building where I have official government business to conduct. I have a hearing on the 18th.
Okay, who do you need to speak with today?
I need to speak with the police about filing a formal complaint against that person right now. That's what I want to do.
Have a seat, we'll call the sergeant.
Can I sit inside where it's not freezing cold?
feel a whole lot better if you would just hang out right here. And we'll call the sergeant off the road.
I don't want to. I'll just let the jury see what they're going to see here.
That's fine.
Okay.
Have a better day.
All right, see ya. Sweet. Oh, that was fun. Woohoo! I'll debrief that later. I really need to focus on getting the fuck out of here, and right now, well, I kicked the hornet's nest. Those cops started coming out of everywhere. First there was one, and then somebody hit the alarm. Next thing you know, there's 6. Causing a disturbance. You're creating YouTube content that makes us look bad. That's the disturbance.